Hey y'all, Matt here with Bobcat Bonsai, and today we're going to work on this project here. Got some pallets, have some broken down pallets. We're going to create something for the garden. It's going to end up just random sporadic things. You're not going to get to watch the whole thing, but let's get to it. Alright, so we got all the pallets taken apart except for this one that I'm resting the wood on. As you can see right here, this is all just a pile of wood that didn't make it through the breakdown process. It broke apart and all that. We'll end up using that for bonfires and stuff through the summer, so that's always great. I save up all the nails and stuff, that way I can use the nails to actually put them into a little canister with some powdered steel and turn it back into an iron and reuse it for something else. But got the wood, got the garden area, which we can see needs cleaned up nicely. It's kind of like a complete mess right now, so that's kind of horrible. But we gotta build a fence because good old HJ Hattie Joe is out here trying to get to my bonsai trees, and that's no good. Can't have Hattie Joe eating the bonsai trees. So it's starting to get dark. I'm gonna get as much of this done as I can. Probably gonna see me in like 50 different outfits throughout this because my weekends are just as busy as my weeks and it's hard to get anything done. But we'll get back to it soon and I'll see you then. Alright, so it's a bit windy, but I got started not thinking about putting the camera on, but now the camera's on. So I'm driving in these fence post little guys right here, and then I'm bolting a piece of 2x4 to the back of it, and then I'm going to end up putting planking across the front of the 2x4. Alright, let's get to it. All right, my friends, so a project that should have taken me maybe like half a day to a day is now completed like 3 weeks later, because for some reason I have zero time all the time. So I'm just working through everything as quickly as I can get it done. But let's take a little tour around it. All right, so we've got our little fence up now. This should keep Hattie Joe out, at least on this side through here. We're gonna have to add in another section right back here where this gap is at. We're gonna add in a section right there to run across. And we're gonna add in like a little gate up inside this area. But for now, it's gonna keep the sun off these little guys, so they're not under sunlight all day. So now they'll only get partial sunlight throughout the day, which is gonna be a big bonus here. And I'm also gonna end up putting up some other shade coverage as we get closer to the peak of summer to really shade this all out. Believe it or not, I've actually weeded this area probably like 8 times already in the process of this video, and it just keeps growing back, so I'm gonna have to come up with something to deal with that. But I appreciate you all coming along on this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, you should subscribe to my channel, and if you really enjoy my content, you should hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I release a new video. Thank you.